Eugene, if you drive through Farmington, you might see some lawn art going by. It's Aaron Cavellis speaking out about his neighbors next door, Ulm Veterinary Clinic, who he says has lights that shine into his property and equipment that make loud noise he compares to a 747 airplane.
If I knew back then what I know now, I'd never bought a house here, ever.
Aaron Cavellis says his quality of life has really gotten worse since the Ulm Veterinary Clinic moved in next door.
It's made my price value of my house go down. It threw all my work right out the window.
Next Monday, Farmington City Council will discuss an ordinance which will address lights shown in a neighbor's yard from both businesses and homes. Farmington Mayor Kent Kowal says the fight between Cavellis and the clinic has been going on for months, and he wants it to stop.
I would like to see them become good neighbors, but I'm not sure that's going to happen, so I really don't have an answer yet. Someone is going to have to come to a better understanding with the other.
Cavellis says not everyone has taken kindly to his lawn art, calling out City Council for not doing anything about the noise and the lights. He adds one person took a bobcat and ran the signs over.
If they don't want to look at it, they don't have to look at it. I don't make anybody look at anything. I did what I had to do, so I came up with lawn art. Because the city is now trying to come up with a new city ordinance. You can't put up signs.
Cavellis wants to sell his home, but if he has to stay, he wants three things to happen.
The lights have to come out or go off at night, you know, number one. They need to fix their air intake thing over there. I don't care if they even have to buy a new one. You know, this is just going on. And he needs to turn around and hire a union fencing company to come out here and finish that fence just like the city ordinance states.
The Farmington City Council meeting is set for 7 o'clock Monday night. Cavellis hopes the City Council will hear his requests and take action.